Ever wondered what makes Devil's Food Cake so devilishly delicious? The answer lies within its rich chocolate depth and the heavenly contrast of its cream cheese frosting. To embark on this culinary adventure, gather the following ingredients: unsalted butter, all-purpose flour, baking soda, baking powder, fine salt, milk, granulated sugar, unsweetened cocoa powder, pure vanilla extract, and large eggs for the cake. For the frosting, gather cream cheese, more butter, confectioner's sugar, vanilla extract, fine salt, and cold heavy cream. Begin by preheating the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. The buttering of two 9-inch round cake pans sets the stage for the magic to happen. Into these pans, add parchment paper. Combine flour, baking soda, baking powder, and salt in a bowl for future use. In a separate saucepan, bring milk and water to a boil, then set aside. Now the main event. Beat the butter until smooth, then add granulated sugar. Continue to beat until light and fluffy. Next, add in the cocoa powder and vanilla. Once mixed, add in the eggs one by one, blending after each addition. Afterward, introduce the flour mixture in 4 separate additions. Carefully pour the hot milk mixture into the batter and stir until smooth. Evenly distribute the batter between the pans and give a gentle tap to remove any air bubbles. Bake until the cakes start to pull away from the sides and the center spring back when gently pressed. This will take approximately 30 to 35 minutes. Allow the cakes to cool in the pans for 10 minutes, then invert onto a rack and cool completely. While the cakes cool, shift focus to the frosting. Beat the cream cheese and butter until smooth. Add the confectioner's sugar, vanilla, and salt. Gradually increase the mixer speed until the frosting is fluffy and smooth. With the mixer running, slowly pour in the heavy cream until fully incorporated. Continue beating until the frosting is slightly lighter in color and creamy. The final act of this culinary performance is assembly. Place one cake round on a serving plate and spread about 1/3 of the frosting over the top. Place the second cake round on top and frost the top and sides with the remaining frosting. And there you have it, a sinfully delicious Devil's Food Cake with cream cheese frosting, the perfect blend of rich, decadent chocolate and smooth, tangy cream cheese. A cake so delicious it's almost sinful.